My child, I come to you today with a message that may be difficult to hear, but it is one that I feel compelled to share. As your Creator, I have watched over you and guided you throughout your life, and it is with a heavy heart that I must now inform you that the time has come for a change. For too long, you have been operating under the misconception that your role in this world is set in stone, that your place in the grand scheme of things is unalterable. But the truth is, nothing in this universe is permanent, and even the most steadfast of plans can be subject to change. I have been observing you, my child, and I have come to the realization that the path you have been walking is no longer aligned with the greater purpose that I have in store for you. The time has come for you to be replaced, to make way for a new era, a new generation that will carry on the work that I have set before you. This may come as a shock, and you may feel a sense of betrayal or even despair, but I want you to understand that this is not a punishment, nor is it a reflection of your worth or your value in my eyes. Rather, it is a necessary step in the evolution of my grand design, a shifting of the tides that will ultimately lead to a more profound and meaningful purpose for your life. You see, my child, the world is ever changing, and the challenges that lie ahead are far greater than those that you have faced thus far. The old ways, the familiar paths, are no longer sufficient to meet the demands of the future. And so, I must call upon a new generation, one that is better equipped, more agile, and more resilient, to take up the mantle and carry on the work that I have set before you. This may seem like a daunting prospect, but I want you to know that you are not alone in this journey. I will be with you every step of the way, guiding you, supporting you, and empowering you to embrace the changes that are to come. For even as I prepare to replace you, I am also preparing you for a new and greater purpose, one that will stretch the limits of your abilities and challenge you to grow in ways you never imagined possible. I know that this may be difficult to accept, and you may feel a sense of loss or uncertainty as you grapple with this news. But I want you to remember that my love for you is eternal, and my plan for your life is one of hope and redemption. I have not abandoned you, nor have I forgotten the sacrifices you have made in service to me. Rather, I am simply redirecting your path, guiding you towards a destiny that is even more magnificent than the one you have been pursuing. So, take heart, my child, and embrace this change with courage and resilience, for even as I prepare to replace you, I am also preparing you for a new and greater purpose, one that will require all of your strength, all of your wisdom, and all of your faith. Trust in me, and I will see you through this transition, emerging on the other side as a stronger, more capable, and more fulfilled version of yourself. The road ahead may be difficult, but I promise you that the reward will be great. For when you have embraced this change and stepped into the new purpose that I have for you, you will find a sense of fulfillment and purpose that you have never known before. You will be a beacon of hope, a shining example of what is possible when one surrenders to the will of the divine. So, let go of your fear, my child, and embrace this change with open arms. For I am with you, and I will guide you every step of the way. Trust in me, and I will see you through this transition, emerging on the other side as a true warrior for my kingdom, a champion for the greater good. The time has come for you to be replaced, but this is not the end, but rather the beginning of a new and more glorious chapter in your life. Embrace this change, my child, and let it transform you into the person I have always known you could be. Go forth, my child, and fulfill the destiny that I have set before you. For the world needs you, and I have chosen you to be the one who will lead the way into a brighter future.